go sing it?
Let's do the one to that and ride on his pony. Stuck a feather in his hat. Called it macaroni.
What about I Am? The other Yankee Doodle song.
I'm a Yankee Doodle Dandy. I don't want to sing that song.
Wow. I like that one.
No, I can't sing. Ant, Mommy, ant.
There's no ant right there.
Ant. That's it! Yay!
You all done eating your snack?
Oh, there's a snake.
Where?
Just a snake. Wait. Here, the snake was here. It touched my necklace, Mom. Let's touch your necklace.
Oh, that's not a snake.
Let's touch your necklace.
Oh. Where's your pants?
Oh.
Where are they?
They're somewhere.
Well,
But I washed them.
why are we having to wash your pants?
Because we get a baby.
Why?
In the sun. We can get them out the milk and they can call it macaroni, Mom. That's a good idea.
Okay, that is a good idea, but why do we have to wash your pants?
Because we can.
Why? What'd you do to your pants to make them dirty?
Because I want to get them in the wash machine.
They are in the wash machine, but why? What'd you do in your pants that you weren't supposed to?
Because I go to move.
What'd you do? You went
No.
pee-pee?
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. See, there's her booty. There's her booty. Mina's booty.
That was my ball.